Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your pets really super big using the Jumbo Mega Shard in Grow a Garden. So if you go to the Safari shop, there will be a pet shard jumbo. It says turn your pet jumbo. I think it's going to be bigger than the giant one, I think. And I think it was around 500 million shekels, and it is a divine item. So just kind of look at restocks, grab your pet shard, and you're going to place it on the pet you want. I'm just going to do this to the Headless Horseman, and as you can see, it's huge now. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.